everyone, welcome to a Soul Tarot Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. I hope you like all the readings. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, one more thing guys is that if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. If you wish to enroll for a 10 days tarot learning workshop and 15 days numerology workshop, the details are given in the description box below. If you wish to donate, the details are given in the description box below. So yeah, let's check it out. What's going on guys? For Pisces, January 2021. This is the reading for Pisces. Messages. Major changes taking place for you. Major changes. Something is ending, something is starting. Major karmic cycle, major changes is happening. You feel very intense, spiritually awakened. Very much intense. Okay? So yeah. You're feeling very intense, Pisces. Okay. I think you think about the problems which is not a lot of problems you are facing into your relationship wise, okay, or towards a long-term commitment. So you think a lot about it. At the same time, you are going through some major spiritual awakening. Your third eye chakra is opening, your throat chakra is opening, your heart chakra is opening. You are open for change basically, which is very good. Okay, so yeah. This has to happen when you go through spiritual awakening. Something is ending, something is new starting. Beautiful reading. Something major is ending, something major is starting. So yeah. Let's check it out. What's going on with Pisces? What's the theme for the month of Pisces, for the month of January 2021 for the zodiac sign Pisces? You have a very immature energy. You want to reach out to someone, but there's a stagnancy in reaching out towards someone. You want to reach it out towards someone, but a lot of stagnancy is there, okay, in the month of January. So what comes under actions and opinions? Actions and opinions. There is a third party interference is there into your life. You will be releasing the third party interference into your life in the month of January, guys. Okay. Yes. I think you will be more focusing on money related stuff rather than focusing on your love life right now in the month of January. Okay. So you'll be focusing more on money or materialistic world as compared to your love life. Okay. What comes under conversations and communication? You want to leave the past behind and you want to move forward, but there is a stagnancy into that. Okay, you cannot. You're daydreaming about it. You're daydreaming towards about a person which makes you disappointed. Okay, and I think in a situation, either it's career or money related stuff, more than two people are involved into a situation which really gives, throws you off guard. That's the problem. What comes under love and relationship? Love and relationship. You're healing your broken heart. You're going through a major healing things. Major unfinished business is there. The major unfinished business which has not been finished yet. Okay. Major changes is needed. But that changes will take place only once you are healed from your broken heart. And once you did it, then major changes are about to happen when it comes to your materialistic world, your personal life, your relationship life. Okay, so major changes will take place not in the month of January but in the upcoming months. In the month of January, you are just going to heal yourself. Okay, you're just going to understand things. There's a stagnancy. You want to leave the past behind, you want to move forward, but you cannot because there's a stagnancy. Stuck energy is from the universe side. Okay, major changes can take place, guys. Major karmic lessons you will be learning in the month of January, related to your personal life, your professional life. It can be anyone, but it's a karmic lessons, okay, which you are going to learn. What comes under money and finance? Money and finance. Okay. There's a situation, guys, I need to tell you that situation. There's a situation where you want to you want to leave the past behind, you want to take an action towards someone or something, whether it's relationship. I feel there are two people who are in separation, and I think you feel it, so that's why you want to take an action towards your happiness, but you cannot. That's the problem. There's a blockage. Okay, at the same time, money and finance is, there's new opportunities waiting for you. New opportunities waiting for you. You want to leave the narcissistic person. You want to leave the empath behind. Okay, and you want to move forward towards your pentacles, your new opportunity, your new life. Okay, so January, I think January will be the month for healing. February will be the month for new opportunity, new life, new beginning into your materialistic world, or new, you'll be grabbing a lot of new opportunities, money related stuff. Okay, and that will be really good for you. Okay, and you will be releasing the devil energy, or you will be releasing the person who used you, who took an advantage of you in the month of, in the new year. Okay, in like from January 2021, you'll start releasing the person or the devil energy who comes on for you. So yeah, so that's the thing. New opportunities are waiting for you. You're waiting for to recover the money. Okay, and it disappoints you because that money is not coming, or that money is taking long time to get recovered. But yeah, new opportunities are on the horizon, whether it's career or relationship, but new opportunities are definitely waiting for you guys. Okay, in the month of January 2021, new opportunities will come after January, but healing will be starting, will be, is ongoing in the month of January. Okay, so yeah, I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Soul Tarot Prediction. Bye bye, guys. Thank you so much.